One of the great things about the Weebly platform that I'm using for our course website is that it's mobile friendly. And since we are talking a good bit about web technologies and mobile phones and mobile ebooks, I thought it would be interesting to give you a quick tour and encourage you to access the technology of the book course website on your phone. It's a lot easier to check in on stuff and just see what's going on, and you can read through most of the content. So just a quick tour. Most of you, I'm sure, are familiar with accessing websites on your mobile phone, but you just open a browser and then go to technologyofthebook.com. You can see the web address there. Now, this is an external website, so you do not need to be logged into UALR to get to this site. Some of the links on the site to Google Docs files do require you to be logged in, and if you're not logged into your UALR Google Gmail account, you may get an error message saying you don't have permission to access these files. But in general, you can watch the videos and read through the text on your phone. So we're on the home page now. If you tap the icon at the top center of the page, it always takes you back to the home page like this. And then you can see how nicely the text reflows and all the images and videos work as I scroll down the page. I think this looks really good on the phone. It's actually, in my opinion, looks better on the phone than it does on the desktop. So here's the course, the same content that you get on the course homepage on a regular laptop browser. There's the video. These videos are all housed on YouTube, so you play them just like any YouTube video, and there's a button that says CC that allows you to toggle the closed captions on or off. You can turn them off if they're distracting, or turn them on if you're in a loud place and can't hear the audio on these videos. Some of the videos have a downloadable PDF, a transcript file as well. Not all of them, but some of them do. So anyway, this is the home page. And then if you want to refresh, you just pull down with your thumb and it does the little reload thing like that. Now, to navigate through this site, you use this little icon in the upper left-hand corner that looks like 3 parallel lines. Web designers call that the hamburger icon. So you tap that, and it brings up this menu, and this will grow as I add and make visible more of the pages. But for now, you can see homepage, Unit 1, and readings. So if I tap readings, of course, it links to that page just like this, and you can see the Is Google Making Us Stupid by Nicholas Carr, and Yes, People Still Read, But Now It's Social by Stephen Johnson. Those are the readings for the first week. So you can just click those and read them right here on your phone if you like. So there's the reading. Go back to our page like that. Now, whoops, wrong one. So there's the readings. And then again, the hamburger icon in the left. Now you'll notice next to Unit 1, there's a little downward facing caret to the right. And if you tap that, it brings down a sub-menu that will eventually say week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For now, it just has week 1. But again, to make that visible, you just tap the little icon and then you link to that. And here's the page for Unit 1. And then Course Introduction, week 1. Like that. So again, the icon at the top center takes you back to the home page. The little hamburger icon in the top left, click that down arrow if you need to get week 1, and then go to week 1, and there you are. So again, I encourage you to use this on the mobile phone. I know many students prefer to use their phones to access some of the course content. It's quite readable. I tend to test it on the phone to make sure everything works. And again, if you, for each week, you can just kind of scroll through the material in sequence, and it should help you work toward these assignments, like Assignment 1, the Literacy Self-Portrait. So that's a little tour of our mobile site. I hope you like it. Thanks.